Hi guys, today I will be taking a look at one of the third-party replacement battery for the Sony ZV-E10 or any Sony alpha cameras that use the FW50 battery to power up. As we all know, the FW50 battery is really not well known for its charge retention capability. In shoot days, you will easily need 2 to 3 spare ones to get you through the day. But should you invest in the original Sony branded ones that comes in at 2 to 3 times of the price of something like these? Let's find out. Please support the channel by liking this video and subscribe if you find my videos useful. Let's roll the intro and get into the video. This is the Digitek Platinum FW50 battery for Sony alpha cameras. It comes in this white box with the image of the product on the front and some key specs written all over. The battery shows capacity of 2100 mAh, which is literally twice that of the original, but how much can it deliver? Well, to put it in simple terms, you can expect a backup performance of 70% approx of that of the original. Also, something that I found worth mentioning is the battery indicator does not work sometimes. It always shows 100% and will go off suddenly when it is dead. There is not even any low battery indicator sometimes. Maybe this lacks the IC for this feature. For the charging part, I tried to charge it with both the in-camera USB and with the external chargers, and it works in every situation. Thumbs up for that. Anyway, I use this only in case of emergency and it gets the job done. If you are heavily reliant on the batteries and do client shoots and serious stuff, then I would say get the original and have peace of mind. But for casual shooters, I see this is a very good alternative at a fraction of the price. The quoted price is around 2000 INR, but expect to get it at around 1000 INR or less. So what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments. This is Avik signing off. Catch you in the next one.